मेरा आप सबसे आग्रह है कि सदन चले, चर्चा हो, संवाद हो, सबके मत विचार आए, एक
हमारी भी बात सुनी जाए सर।
पूरे देश के अंदर एक सकारात्मक दिशा जाए कि संसद में चर्चा संवाद होती है। इसलिए मेरा आपसे आग्रह है कि प्रश्नकाल में गतिरोध पैदा नहीं करें।
माहौल तो बनाइए।
चलिए, सदन की कार्रवाई आज 2 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
It's a very important debate, and I think now the opposition seems very likely to participate in this debate, which I'm very encouraged by, because I think we need to get Parliament back on track. The voices of the young children of India must be heard in Parliament, and many of us feel a responsibility to raise some of these issues. I have been doing so in the public media, in my writings, in my articles, but now Parliament, our party, will certainly want to raise every aspect of the paper leak issue and the solution that the Prime Minister has brought forward in a bill. Whether that bill goes far enough, what does it do, and how are we going to address the larger systemic rot, all of these are issues that must be discussed. So I'm looking.
And so one more thing, sir. Yesterday when Dharmendra Pradhan entered the parliament, he was greeted by his MPs, and Rahul Gandhi has said that Dharmendra Pradhan is a symbol of corruption, but yet he's been greeted by the BJP. What is that?
I think it's a very disturbing development, because obviously, you know, when a minister resigns taking moral responsibility for a failure, you don't greet him as a hero. I mean, that suggests to me that those who did so are out of touch with the feelings of the vast majority of middle-class India, of young people, of people who want a system that works. These are all people who did the right thing, who studied, who prepared for exams, and who are betrayed by the system. You don't applaud that. If you're applauding it and celebrating it, then you're out of touch with the people. You will not get their support.
आपको नहीं लगता कि शर्मनाक है किन परिस्थितियों ने इन्होंने इस्तीफा दिया और फिर उनका यहाँ पे स्वागत हो रहा है जैसे कोई सुपरस्टार का आगमन हो रहा है? इस सरकार में कोई विश्वास नहीं कर सकता। आज भी स्टूडेंट्स को परेशान किया जा रहा है। मैंने देखा कुछ इंस्टाग्राम के हैंडल जिसमें लड़कियों की फोटो चिपका रहे, मतलब पोस्ट किए हुए और कहा है कि इन लोगों ने ऐसा ऐसा किया। ये क्या बात है? या तो आप बातचीत कर रहे हैं, या आप इस समस्या को सुलझाना चाहते हैं, या फिर सब स्टूडेंट्स के आप पीछे पड़े हुए हैं और आप उनको दबाना चाहते हैं अभी भी।